Well, hello. We are back at it. Middle of summer, going to an estate sale. I'm kind of getting the feel that it's not a regular company that does this for a living, so I'm curious what's going to be inside. Is it just someone that's trying to get rid of some stuff and they're using the estate sale site to just kind of gather some people in there? So don't really know what we're going to get into for this one, but it's hot out there and I'm going to take you with me to browse around some fun stuff. So sit back, grab your coffee. I've got mine. Let's go. Okay, you guys, we're here. The only issue is it's cash only, and I happen to just see this and pull off. I don't have cash, so we're gonna hope that they take Venmo. All right, let's get in there.
There are box numbers over here, ma'am. These are old box numbers.
Good. Okay, wow. Very old table, $10. It's got a big crack in it. Some sewing stuff.
I was stolen just now.
Excuse me.
Cheryl?
Fun picture. Lectures of the day. Oh wow, they took notes. Winston Churchill books. It's actually a set of, oh my gosh, the entire bookshelf almost just came down. I'm gonna put them here so I can show you. Oh my God. Okay, so you can see, I'll put it up on the screen, but these books go for a pretty good price. I need to find out if they'll take Venmo here.
Yeah. See, I'm looking on my street. We do have things.
I see it's cash only. Do you take Venmo?
No, he does
No.
not, but we can hold things
Okay. How late are you here today?
till 2,
Till 2.
and
Okay.
tomorrow it's 9 to 12.
Okay.
And he's doing good deals on books.
Okay. I mean, I live just right around here, so I guess I could do a pile, and then I guess you could. How long would you hold for?
You'll have to ask the man in the bandana.
Okay.
I'm just kind of helping.
Okay, no worries.
He's pretty flexible.
Okay, cool.
He's pretty easy.
Thank you.
He just doesn't have that technology. I do, but I say I don't deal with the cash. It's a private. He's
Yeah,
a
I figured so.
realtor,
Oh, okay.
So
Okay.
he doesn't have that technology.
Totally get it. Is there a whole table? Maybe I could put these down,
Yeah, well, on
or
the
just kind of
chair-
start a little.
on the chair
pile.
Here, and I'll put-
Okay, perfect. There wasn't any prices, but you said
Yeah,
good
he's
on the
doing-
prices.
He's doing good on,
Okay, cool.
like, he's doing. There's so many books that have to go.
Gotcha. Okay, totally understand that.
Realizing
Awesome.
today that he's gonna do. Well, he's fair anyway, but
Yeah.
that he's gonna do
Okay.
these prices.
Cool. Thank you very much. I'll keep looking.
Yesterday, they were
Yeah.
$2 a piece, but he might do better.
Okay, awesome. Thank you so much. Okay. Okay, so not sure on the prices, but we'll just keep going. Look at this. It says eagle. Love that jadeite color. Lots of old books. Give you a pan of the room that I'm in. So it's just as I guessed. It's a private sale. So it's from the actual realtor who has to sell the home. So he's trying to get everything out.
Like I said, I got to redo the whole thing.
All right, let's go upstairs.
Okay. Okay. Everything other than I think if I go to these bookcases,
So here's another room.
everything else is negotiable. I need to wait for him to come back and reprice it. Or have an idea what.
Closet. Oh, wow, it's all ripped up. So here's an awesome vintage phone. I generally like the rotary ones though, but this is still neat. Neat books though.
She'll make a deal. He'll make a deal.
Some linens.
Get rid of a lot of books.
Here, I'll give you another view of this room. Lots of big furniture pieces in here. Hair dryer. This little bag is cool. Nice little bag. Looks like it's literally just sat here and collected dust. Look at these jeans. Okay.
So are you doing YouTube?
Yes.
Awesome.
I like to just go to a bunch of places and just kind
I
of
love
take
it.
people
I'm
with
like
me
a-
online, they who
I'm like,
can't go, really.
What is
It's called the Carolina Bungalow.
is it Instagram?
YouTube.
I need to start doing YouTube.
$5?
Write you down and I'll
Yeah.
look for you.
You want ones?
Yeah, I just kind of did it because a lot of people wanted to see what I could see out there, and then now it's just turned into something awesome
love
where
to
it's like
watch.
some people who can't, get out anymore in Oklahoma or Iowa or something, they get to come too, which is
I
fun.
love that. Like, it's
Oh no, that's
fun.
awesome.
Yeah.
Cool, yeah.
And
But
there's,
yeah, his
but there's
prices
two
are
of them
good
though.
too.
Awesome. Yeah, I'm gonna look through here and then I'll see if there's anything else. Thank you.
Where is the other one?
Okay.
Nah, man, there's two of them.
This is a neat light.
So far, she's got these books.
Okay. Do you know, Cindy, did you there's another one of these somewhere. Do you see another one of those, little things?
Pictures. Lots of DVDs. Yes, I'm gonna have to come back to pay. Those are fun.
I'll run upstairs.
I'll look.
Okay. So
Fine.
you live in North Carolina then?
No, the first home that I bought was a bungalow, a 1920s bungalow, and it was on a street named Carolina.
Oh, I love that.
So that's kind of like where I started my business, and I'm no longer in that house anymore, but I've kind of created the name. It's the name that I had when I lived in the bungalow on Carolina. I've thought about changing it, but that's what
No,
so many
it's
people
fine.
know me
It
by,
doesn't
so I
matter
just,
where you're from.
Yeah.
You can move to Vegas and still be. It just
Yeah, exactly.
I would stay.
yeah, exactly. So,
It's cute. It's
yeah.
cute.
So what are we thinking on the books? I'm gonna have to come back because she said you don't take Venmo, so I'll have to.
Or whatever I can pay for it, and you can Venmo me. Then I can.
Oh, okay.
Then I can.
Where do I get my cut for that? Then
No, I don't get anything.
Okay, no.
Venmo's better than PayPal. I do know that.
Whatever you want. No.
How many
what
books
you
are there?
gonna pay
1, 2, 3, 4, 5 books.
Did you bring any cards today?
for? Business cards?
Uh-huh.
Yes.
She's a YouTuber.
YouTuber?
I mean, it's like part-time. I wouldn't claim
Well,
myself,
is there
but
Yeah, you
any
can
way
say,
that-
say that
any way
that's
you
it.
could-
He's
cool.
Yeah. So.
But yeah, I can certainly, if that works for you guys,
Yeah, that works for you.
Venmo her, and then she'll
show you
give
who
you.
I am.
So how
but
much
yeah.
do you pay for the books?
I think, what did you say you were selling them for yesterday?
They were $1 or $2 a piece.
Today they're $6 a piece. No, I'm just
He says that to everything.
No,
Oh gosh,
they're-
I might have to just show
6.8.
you my picture because
So if they were $2 yesterday,
Well, how about $1 today? Would that work? Or-
Yeah, okay.
All right, that would-
Perfect.
We could even discount it more because you're, what are you, a blogger or YouTube, whatever that is?
yeah, that's what I'm saying.
Well, they're fucking
She can
free.
give you-
They're
give you a
fucking
little
free.
plug.
No, they're free. Yeah, no, yeah.
Here's me.
Cool.
Oh, it's free. Now I need.
Are you sure?
I'll find you.
okay.
It's free.
Yeah.
Here,
yeah,
take a
you
picture.
Give him a little plug as a realtor.
Oh, no, not a video. It's not like a
It's got a
fucking.
picture of your card.
This point's down, so I don't get anyone's faces
Okay.
anytime that I do anything, but I did hold your card up if you'd like me to show it.
No, that is perfect.
Yeah,
Okay.
man, how nice he was. See
Yes.
there, you got just.
I love it. Yeah, anything. Social media and me, no.
I should get, I'm gonna get cards. I'll order them today. I'm just so. I have more fun doing this than I do editing videos, making cards, pricing, magic, just like, it's just so much. I'd rather just do this all the time, just walk around and travel. It's so fun.
Ah, yeah, man.
You got books.
You're doing a good deal today. Can you film this? They came all the way from Canada for this trip.
Oh, wow.
No, no.
Well, they're
No
from
way.
Canada, but
Yeah, I was gonna
embellishing
say,
a little bit. You
I don't know about that.
Yeah, I'll give you a card.
No, really, actually, it was a freaking pleasure meeting
Yeah,
you.
nice meeting you as well.
Yeah.
I hope you sell everything in here and you get the house sold right on Wednesday. That's awesome. Well, it was nice meeting you all,
Actually,
and you have a great day.
Yeah,
Thank you so much.
It'll
Yeah,
be fun.
okay.
Oh, I know. I was saying I don't keep up my pages and stuff because I watch stuff like you when I should be doing things to.
Yeah, but send me a
do my
message though. Yeah,
business.
that way I can like see you on there and stuff and chat back.
Okay.
Well, thank you so much. You guys have a great day.
Thank you for coming.
I appreciate it. Okay, well that was fun, and it was just as I expected. Not a company doing the estate sale, a private seller, which we learned was the realtor, and he's trying to clear everything out of that house by Wednesday so he can sell it. They were so kind to give me these 5 books for free because they love the channel, they love the idea of all of that. And so I didn't have any cash on me. I asked him if he took Venmo, PayPal, anything like that, Zelle. He did not. He's not technology savvy. So I was gonna have him hold it for me, and then I'll come back later today once I have the cash, but they just figured, don't worry about it, and just gave them to me as a gift. So nice of them. I hope that they sell everything in there and sell the house on Wednesday. Not a lot of stuff for me, but I did get these awesome Winston Churchill book set. I do believe that a couple books may be missing. From when I did my quick scan online, I think it might be a set of 6 or 8, and I have 5. But either way, you know I love my English plugs. So Winston Churchill set, really, really awesome. If you're interested in these books, make sure that you're following my Etsy shop. That's where I put everything. If you want to know exactly when it goes up there, become a member of the channel and you'll get notifications of when I'm going to do the next vintage drop and what it will include. So I'll drop a discount code in there for members, and you can use that every single time you do a purchase. So you could buy something 10 times in the month of August and get a discount every single time. So it's totally worth it if you're interested. And thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. Let me know if you like these books that I got, and I'll see you in the next one.